Alright guys, so if you remember, I told you in a previous video that I had a subscriber, Rich, that had contacted me and said that he had a Crosley 635 Buccaneer radio like mine, that he actually had 3 of them, and that he had a couple of cabinets that were better than what mine was based on what he saw, which it don't have to be much to be better than mine, because mine was in horrible shape. So it just showed up today. I haven't opened it yet. And the size of this box, I'd say that he did an excellent job packaging it. And the box didn't get damaged. It only had to come from Chicago, which is about 2.5 hours from my house, but who knows, you know. Oh yeah, look at all the bubble wrap in there. Look at all that bubble wrap. Nice packing job, Rich. Boy, that's the good bubble wrap too. That's that heavy duty stuff. Very nice. That's what you like. Veneer inside. He must have sent me a piece of veneer. Well packaged. Very well packaged. You guys can see in there, he got it wrapped in bubble wrap as well. Besides the packaging around it. So, let's see if we can get it lifted out. Packaging inside. I'm just going to flip this over and take a look at it and make sure you're still on camera. With it. It looks like we are. Perfect. So, get back to it. Don't mind my belly, guys. My New Year's resolution is to lose some weight. And I got it upside down. Oh yeah, very nice. Very nice. Much better than mine. No delamination. Mine completely delaminated all through here. Face looks nice. Little piece missing there, little piece missing there. We can fix that, that's for sure. Very nice. Very nice. And that piece missing on top right here, which is perfectly fine. That's easy to replace. That's probably what he set the piece for. So we get it out and see what it looks like. Oh wow. Beautiful burl. Look at that beautiful burl. Wow. The burl matches, kind of matches the front a little bit. Definitely don't match the top, but I have no problem using that on the top. What a gorgeous piece. What a gorgeous piece. Well, Rich, thank you so very, very, very much for your generous donation to my channel. This will definitely be put to good use. I'll get this thing refinished up pretty nice. And man, it's nice. It's so nice. I'm looking at mine, which is down under my bench right now. This is all like completely, I'm not just talking the veneer, but the actual plywoods are completely delaminated and broken. Now this looks really, really, really good. Wow. Such a generous donation. Rich, thank you very much. I'm sure my other subscribers will thank you for being so generous. And the next time you guys see this, I'll probably be doing a little bit of work on it, and then we'll get to radio on it. But I did want to get this out to you guys. Thanks for watching Greg's Vintage Workshop.